First and foremost, Davido, if you have 2 million naira that you're not using, I beg. I can't samaza. No, no, no. For real. All right, so Davido kicked off his European tour 2023, of course, in Manchester, United Kingdom on Wednesday. I think it was the 13th of September 2023. And it was absolutely amazing. Obviously, he performed the hits, and he left in Manchester a lot of happy fans. You know, when you finish performing and they are screaming and they are loving it. That was what he did to Manchester fans. If you're not 30BG, if you're not OBO001 fan, if you don't love this brother, then you are missing out. His music is absolutely amazing, and he brought that amazing to Manchester.
which side is more late, this side or that side. I think this side is winning though because I keep going back to this side. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all gotta. Yeah, I wanna, before I continue, I wanna give a special condolences to the family of my little brother Mo Bab, passed yesterday. As we come on stage and perform for you guys every night, you guys might not know what we artists be going through, but we're human beings too. So it takes a lot for us to come out every night and perform and deliver, and we do that because we love you. Feel me? for there, you for there. Say, but they say if you don't get money, I jump. See me, I got face, make another man begin. 1, 2, I love it. Never shit, I never let you go. Sometimes back to back, you the best I know. Say, oh yeah, you blow my mind, blow my mind, blow my mind. For your love, I go change my life, change my life, change my life. Yeah, man, come here, do your dance, make us make go. Say dirty one for me, I say so. So many nights I wait for better to get you all alone for one night. You do me something new, and I did mad for your time. 1, 2, I want to do you whatever you want. Yeah, yeah, freaky, freaky for you. Show me what you need. What I say, girl, you just did blow my mind. Your body did blow mine. Girl, you just did blow mine. 1, 2, 7. And I see 2 feet. Oh my love, what I say, some things are not in a Maserati. Let you baby easy. I'm a lucky easy. You want keep some money. You're losing me. Now my phone. Oh, don't you know like I put your hands in the air one time like this, like this. Lucky you. Big way, 5 days, 10 days. I don't wait for you, my child. I don't wait for you, my child. I don't wait for you. You want the phone, no care. I know the talk, Scarface for you, my child. body, oh, her body, her body. Shawty say she no wine down for me. Say if I go dash her on. Shawty say she go roll down for me. If I go dash her on. Shawty wanna make my heart drop. Be like I do whatever you find like this. Say go to love, no be only me come. I carry body there. Don't share your man. When she look into my eyes and she see designer. Hey, don't she have a banana? Bugatti, going bananas. So what about yourself? Pass me the gold, pass me the joke, pass me the thing when you make me go. Pass me the gold, they make me so. Pass me the gold. When I look into your eyes, what I see is the way. See that? Africa way. And I don't have no time to waste. No, they make me there. Ladies.
Why I'm never home, I just said I got her. Look, yo, wake up looking sexy and she's stunning when she pose. Perfect when she naked and she curvy in the clothes. Get the Lamborghini white, I pay the euros like a toes. Manchester one more fucking time. You know I got it, baby, what do you want? You know what? She lying. Louder. You know I got it, baby, what do you want? You can have it if you want.